BRTLED is the independent brand under Foshan Brighter LED Lighting Company Limited, an innovative national high-tech enterprise integrating research, design, production and sales of automotive and industrial LED lighting solutions. B represents brighter future. R represents reliable quality. T represents high technology. Our product range covers LED work light, driving light, light bar, headlight, warning light. Rather than making imitated copies out of public molds, we have been dedicating to the investment of creative and original designs, private tooling, and patented technologies by sticking to the concept of innovation makes the world brighter. Brighter LED is equipped with the latest modernized production lines, automatic assembling facilities, and independent electrical, optical, structural electronics laboratories. It covers 50,000 pieces monthly production capacity and serves customers from over 50 countries worldwide. Besides the certification of IATF 16949, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, Brighter LED had obtained over 200 certificates and worldwide patents. DOT, AMECA, EMARC, ECER 112, R7, R65, CE, IP68, IP69K, gross, vibration tests, CISPR 25-Class 5, and Chinese, European, American invention patents for design and technologies. Every year, we dedicate 15% of our revenues back into R&D, which has given us an upper hand in meeting the demands of customers worldwide and made us a leader in automotive lighting technology.
Welcome to Brighter LED.
Innovation makes the world